Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum and greetings. alishanmao here and welcome to another scooter video. Today I'm very happy to introduce the all-new Tianrun X7 electric scooter. Right here, this is the X7. Before we have reviewed the Tianrun R3S, a small electric scooter for teenagers and kids. Honestly speaking, we have been riding this scooter a lot. Arish has been riding this scooter almost every day and it's proving to be one of the most useful little electric scooters for short commute. Now here we have the all-new X7 from Tianrun, featuring some of the coolest features, some of the most desirable features that you will want into an electric scooter. The scooter is also designed for short commute only and features maximum speed of 25 km/h, giving you a total of a 15-km range. This scooter has 8.5-inch wheels. You can see easily, bigger wheels means more stable rides, safer rides. If road is bumpy, there are potholes, broken roads, cracks, 8.5-inch wheels are better than tiny, smaller wheels. Next thing, the scooter is running a front-wheel drive, a 350-watt motor in the front wheel. Rear wheel has no motor, it's free. The scooter also offers triple brake systems, that is triple redundancies for the brake. Previously in Tianrun R3S, you just had electronic braking, and if the rider is heavy, it takes time to stop. But this scooter is running triple brake system that gives you effective braking. It has electronic braking, it has a disc braking that is mechanical disc braking, and also features the fender braking. So you can push the fender with your foot and also apply brakes. So all three of these brakes applied together will give you a really effective immediate stopping. Apart from the design of this scooter and really lightweight, 12.5 kg only, the nice sleek design that you really want to appreciate, the coolest feature of this scooter that you're gonna love is the removable battery. Right here, as you can see, you can pull the battery out and add a fully charged battery. This is a 36 volt 5200 milliamp battery that gives you 15 km of range on a fully charged one. So if you run out of battery, if you have a spare battery, all you need to do is take the discharge battery out, put a fully charged battery in, and you are good to go another mile. I mean, you are good to go another 15. Replacing the battery is just this easy, this quick. The scooter is folding. You have already watched how easy it is to fold. It is basically a 3-second folding system. Takes me about 2 seconds to fold, and you can easily carry the scooter and take it around. Unfold, lock, and that's it. You're good to go. Now this is the next feature of the scooter. Of course, you have the throttle control here. You have an on-off switch, mode button, okay, and you also have a very nice LED screen right here that shows you the speed, that shows you the battery levels, and also the scooter features 3 drive modes. Right now it's in beginner mode that will offer you 10 km/h, normal mode that will offer you more speed, and of course the sports mode that offers you maximum of 25 km/h speed. And at night or daytime, there is a bright brake light right here on the end at the back of the fender that you can see, very visible brake light. Last but not least, in the features, you have a very nice soft rubber pad right here, which is anti-slip rubber pad. You can stand on it without worrying of slipping. You have reflectors on the right and left, and the back side and rear, and left and right reflectors on the front side. So gives you visibility, even gives the visibility to drivers at night, not you, gives the visibility to drivers at night that there is something on the road. Overall, I simply love the design of this scooter. I simply love the way a scooter handles. 8.5-inch wheels. You can cover a lot of ground with those big wheels. This scooter does not have any suspension, unlike the Tianrun R3S. You have front suspension, but I can tell you when you're riding this scooter, you will feel like you have a very nice suspension. The scooter rides very smooth, very soft, just like it has a beautiful Mercedes-Benz type of suspension. Very smooth and nice ride, no, not bumpy, not jumpy. Enough said, let me just put it in a normal mode and go for a ride right away, shall we? I still have this here. I'm not going to remove it for now. So let's get it dirty, okay? Here we go. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is a beginner mode. And this is a full throttle. I'm getting 10 km/h. On the LCD screen. Switching to normal mode. Full throttle, 15 km/h. Switching to sports mode. "25 km/h. Scooter handles really nice. Check out my footstep. The first footstep of the men on Tianrun X7. Okay, scooter handles really nice. It's very comfortable to ride. I like the sports mode. Of course, we can get more speed. The braking is more effective. I did not feel much about electronic braking, but it's more effective with the disc brake. And look, my foot on the fender. With the fender and the disc braking, it is really, really very effective braking. All right, Mary is riding. The scooter is basically front wheel drive. Uh-oh, she dropped her hat. That means the scooter is fast enough. She's enjoying it. I'm sure she's loving it. So, what is the feeling on this one?
Nice.
Nice and good, right? And it's faster than the R3S right here.
The brake is very effective.
Yeah, braking is definitely effective because we have a disc brake and a fender brake. You didn't try the fender brake actually.
Keep going. This.
These little scooters are actually fun.
They're very easy to handle and very easy to ride.
braking.
他的节目梦想到一个小鸟的吃饭。
Triple braking. See, it's more effective. I can stop faster than me. Even Arish is much lighter on that scooter, but still, me being heavier than him on this scooter, triple braking definitely is much more effective. Try this one, come on. I will put it in beginner mode for you, so you cannot go too fast. Normal mode, okay? Same speed like that one. Can you handle? You can handle. Okay, I will handle your scooter then. I'm coming. Go, 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 go. This one is really small. Come, quickly, quickly, come on, follow me.
Okay.
Go. Okay, awesome. Outside. Go forward. Okay. Awesome, man. It's fun.